It's the final here, Ryan Searle needed 96, gets the treble 20, misses the double 18, but nails the double 9.